Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So I have not recorded in almost 2 weeks. I kind of was missing it, but a lot of it was because I was dealing with all the stressful stuff with my car. So thank God it's over with. So I now have a new vehicle and a new bill. So wasn't happy about that, but it is what it is. It's over. Thank God it's over. But anyway, I am back at it now. So the first week I just did not want to read anything. I was just so irritated all the time. And so this week was catch up. So I was able to finish up a few books that I was reading. I have one I'm not finished with, but this weekend I plan on definitely finishing up the book. And then but I've been writing still. I still been writing even though I wasn't reading a lot the first week. Well, yeah. But most of it is art journaling. So it's really, really, really helpful because it just distract me and make me calm. So if you haven't tried art journaling, try it. It's actually not bad. I'm not I will say an artistic person, but it's you just create whatever you want to create, and it's just a nice way of relaxing and not being as stressed as I was. But anyway, back to normal. So I have been reading some more Nia Forster's book, and I'm liking her. So, and a few other books that also I had started prior to this old Saga mess. I was able to finish. So anyway, so I did pick up a few books, and I picked these book up because I just really wanted to. Even though I told myself I wasn't going to buy any book this month, that didn't work. So anyway, it's only 3 books. So the first one is Saga Volume 8, and this is like my favorite graphic novel right now. So I wanted to, get this as soon as it came out, and it came out this month. So I was like, yeah. The next one I picked up is the third book in the Benty series. It's the last one. I haven't read the second one yet, but I'm hoping to get to it soon. So I'm just gonna read them back to back. And I'm loving this cover. Like this cover. Yes. Love the cover. And then, of course, I wanted to get another James Baldwin because I keep hearing about The Fire Next Time from Denise Cooper. So I thought that, let me try this one because I read Giovanni Room and it was okay. It's okay. I do have Go Tell on the Mountain and another one, but I haven't read those either. They're just sitting on my bookshelf and I really need to read them. But I definitely want to get to this one, and it's it's short, so yeah. So, and that is all I picked up, and that's it. Back to reading and relaxing for the rest of the weekend. And thanks for watching. And what are you guys reading? Yeah, that's all I want to know. What are you guys reading? And have a good day. Bye.